what is going on right now, buddy? Chris, what is going on right now, buddy?
I feel pretty. This is a really expensive champagne with some raspberry and like a little rose gold ears on top. Sorry, Millennial Pink. It was like $28.
You spent $30?
Yes. Do I take this off or do I wear it? Here we go, everybody. What are they selling? It tastes basic.
I can clean a shower drain with it. That's how basic it is.
How does it?
God, it tastes like glitter. Well, we all learned a valuable lesson today, kids. That Disney can sell you anything. Help me. Oh my God, it got on my fingers. Oh, I look horrible.
Jerry, you look like a very beautiful princess.
Wait, let me.
Oh, pop it, pop it, pop it. Oh, we're 2 sips in.
I have to say, this is not so great.
Why isn't it great?
I'm not a huge raspberry person.
Oh, cute.
I'm also not a huge fan of like hot pink mini bows either.
Okay.
But I had to do it for the effect.
Glittery fingers.
Match the store display.
Chris, they can just put you up as a mannequin right now. Just dress you up, and you can fit in with all the Vera Bradley flowery stuff.
Certain as the sun rising in the east, tale as old as time, song as old as rhyme, beauty and the beast.
As you can see, it is now empty.
As old as time, song as old as rhyme, beauty and the beast. Off to the cupboard with you now, Chip. It's past your bedtime. Good night, love.
Okay, so we're gonna be extra basic today. We are at EPCOT right now. Rachel, what are you about to eat?
A flower.
What drink is it?
A violet lemonade.
The most basic of all lemonades. See how it tastes. Mmm. Fiber.
Tastes like a flower.
Okay, what does it mean to be Disney basic?
Disney basic? I don't know. You tell me.
Wait.
You were pretty freaking basic when you worked here. You know, because you basically did nothing.
Oh! What does it mean to be Disney basic?
Having millennial pink.
I love millennial pink. I can't.
Jersey, ears.
Is this Disney basic enough?
Look at Rachel struggling to get that free water cup live. Are we gonna be double fisting the water cups? Okay, so we're currently at the smokehouse and we're about to try the wee little brisket. Okay, Rachel, what's the official review of the water?
You know, it's nice and cold, but not too much ice, where I can still get enough water.
For the main event, is there jalapeno on here?
Oh yeah, there's
What is jalapeno?
jalapeno sauce. It's kind of cold actually. Tastes like something like you get at like Trail's End, like one of those like little sausage links. This better be good. It's got burnt ends. Okay, that's good.
Better than the wee little sausage?
Oh yeah, it's way better than the wee little sausage.
They're all fighting over Daisy right now. I'm gonna ask Jared what is going on. Are they stuck? Or are they trying to kill each other? I don't know. It's almost like they're trying to do like couples yoga. Time to have lunch at Cellier Steakhouse. Oh my gosh, these are real candles. You know it's fancy when they got real candles here. They're not the fake stuff. Okay, so you brought the fancy hand sanitizer.
Oh yeah, it's got glitter in it.
It's got, why aren't you getting a steak?
Because I'm poor.
Okay, so I'm gonna get the lobster mac and cheese. Rachel's gonna get the soup. And then we're gonna get the Cellier signature poutine. We just finished. Food was good. The mac and cheese was all right. Wasn't the best mac and cheese I've ever had, but you know, you can't go wrong with that poutine. That's like on my deathbed, that's what I want to be eating. Rachel, how was your cheddar cheese soup?
So full.
Now, later tonight, I'm gonna be going to get drinks with Chris and Dom at
Disney's Polynesian
Okay,
Resort.
so guys, we're gonna go have a little fun. We're going to Trader Sam's. We're here at the Polynesian. Okay, wait, do we know his name?
Yes, it's Maui.
That's Maui?
But they changed the name.
Oh.
After the movie came out, he's just called the Polynesian God.
Statue or anything?
Well, Moana used to meet here. I actually saw Moana for the first time before it came out in theaters.
At your D23 event.
At my D23 event.
With all your face.
I saw it on the beach right out there, and it was really cold, and Moana came out before, and she said, I am Moana, and then she left. And then I was really cold, and I was drinking like a pineapple, like, alcoholic beverage.
Wait, time for some Trader Sam's. This is how my intestines look like when I eat something bad.
Ew.
Krakatoa!
I'm very picky when it comes to these drinks. I like it. I like it. So there's two very hard things to get here in Disney. Fast passes for Flight of Passage and a spot to sit at Trader Sam's. We gotta be like a shark in the water and then when that person moves, we just go and we pounce.
How many drinks do you need to make you smile? To the point where I don't remember smiling.
I think we'll just do a whole montage of just all the cool stuff they have all over the wall.
And then what kind of music are you gonna use? Do 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 do.
Like giant squid. You look very excited for a drink. Okay, they're getting the most of the time, something goes off in the restaurant. So apparently it's gonna catch on fire and we're gonna sacrifice people.
Yes.
Who are we gonna sacrifice?
We have angered the tiki gods again.
Oh no!
Oh, there we go, there we go.
And your weapons to attack that beverage.
Excellent.
You made a mess again.
I had to appease the tiki gods.
Oh, look at that.
I knew it was gonna.
I knew he wasn't gonna like it either.
Not fruity enough for me.
It's really sweet. What's wrong with you?
Okay, that is the equivalent of the cinnamon challenge in a drink. And that's a wrap on Trader Sam's. None of us are lit at all. I don't feel, no.
I mean, we had fun.
Yeah, we had fun. We had fun.
Pay for the experience.
Yeah.
You don't get really a lot of alcohol in the drinks, but that's fine. I'm coming for the experience. I'm not coming for the drinks, but it's the experience that I love.
It's about the entertainment value, and the skippers are really fun.
Okay guys, we're gonna end the video with some important Toy Story Land news. Disney erects a giant Woody at Hollywood Studios. Who the heck wrote that title? Time for the American Adventure. Guess we didn't dress for the occasion. I gotta go pee, and the show hasn't even started. Yeah, it's like 45 minutes long, I think.